this line is given, there 7 is written and then 1 arrow.
Yeah.
So this 7 centimeter and 1 millimeter. So you can match your answer, and if you want to say, then you can say that my answer is right. If you want to
Ma'am,
say.
my answer is right.
Okay.
Ma'am, my answer is right with the yes.
Okay, good.
My answer is right.
Okay, good. Then this second was that how many minute make an 1 hour? Means in
Ma'am,
1 hour.
60 minutes.
60 minutes.
Ma'am, 60 minutes.
Ma'am,
Yes,
60 minutes. My
Ma'am,
answer
my
is
answer
right
is
with the
My
right.
yes.
answer is Pangori.
good. Then this was the third, that here object is given and you have to try to say that we use which centimeter, meter, kilometer. Like if you know that what do we use when
Centimeter.
kilometer? Yes,
Centimeter. 6.
Ma'am, 6 centimeter.
6 centimeter. My answer is right with the yes.
Ma'am,
good.
my answer is right, Priyani Shafiq.
My answer is right, Secretary.
Very good, Rehan. Then here you can see piece of pizza is given.
Ma'am, right angle.
Wait,
Ma'am,
wait.
Ma'am,
acute
acute
angle.
angle.
Acute angle.
Acute angle, ma'am.
Ma'am, acute angle.
My answer is right with the yes.
Good. Like
Ma'am,
My
Ma'am,
suppose
my
answer
my
is
answer
right,
is
answer
also
Mangori.
right.
is
suppose if piece of
my
pizza is
answer
given,
is right.
suppose if piece of pizza is given like
Wait.
this,
Uh,
then you can say that this much part is right angle. Okay, but here a piece of pizza is given in this way. That's why acute angle. The next is match the following. This time, first time I have asked this. Otherwise, I never asked match the following. So
मैम
you
30 सेंटी मैम वो मैम थर्ड में आएगा 3 सेंटीमीटर
380.
8 मिलीमीटर
yes, very good, Shafiq.
मैम मैम थर्टी
Ma'am,
थर्ड
380 mm.
मैम
380
मैम
mm.
38 0
Meter
mm
is equal to 30, 380 millimeter.
Ma'am, 100 mm. 100 mm.
100
Yes,
mm.
100 mm.
मैम 1 सेंटीमीटर
Then 1
And next
centimeter.
is 1 centimeter.
Arman Gori answer is right, ma'am.
very
मैम परियानी शफीक आंसर इज राइट
good, Arman, Shafiq, yes,
Muskan Muhammad gave answer
Yes,
is
teacher,
right.
the answer is right.
very good. Then fill in the blanks. I have twisted. So here it is written that angle that look like corner of window. So this is the window. Suppose
मैम मैम
this
मैम
is
कैन
the
आई से स्पीक आंसर
no no no.
Ma'am, I give answer.
And this is angle.
Ma'am, can
You
I
can
give the answer with the yes?
yes.
Ma'am, I can give answer.
Yes, you can give.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it looks like a right angle. Acute angle. Not acute. Quarter angle.
Hmm. Then who wants to convert this 15 centimeter to dash millimeter? Here you have to use that 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter.
Ma'am, can I say with the yes?
Yes.
Ma'am, 150 mm.
And what is the method?
मैम मिलीमीटर
Ma'am, ma'am, 15 multiplied by 10.
Yes.
So we will put the zero after 15.
Yes. 15 ones are 15 and then we have to put 10. Then here we have to convert hour to minute. So 1 hour equals to how many minute?
60 minutes.
60 minutes. Ma'am, 180.
180 minutes.
Yes.
3 hours is equal to 180 minutes.
So 180. Very good. So you can just match your answer whether it is right or wrong.
मैम
No
माय आंसर इज
problem.
राइट
Gori
Ma'am,
परियानी
answer is right.
all the answers are right.
मैम
Very,
माय आल्सो परियानी शफीक ऑल द आंसर इज राइट
very good. Then
Ma'am, true.
this one that upside this one is left. Huh? First we'll do that. So here you can see that 3 hours is given. So again we have to convert that by multiplying by 15.
मैम मैं करूँ परियानी शफीक
And this what we have to do with this 20. 3 hour I have converted into 380.
Ma'am, your screen is showing right, true or false. Number 14.
Upside that 13 is not visible.
No, ma'am. It is not showing. Yes,
Now,
ma'am. Now it is showing.
hmm. So this upside 3 hour and 20 meter. It is like rupees and paise. Like rupees is also given and paise is also given. Like 2
Yes,
rupees.
ma'am. 200 minutes.
Suppose it is given that 2 rupees and 50 paise. So how many total
Two,
paise?
250 paise.
Yes, 2 rupees means 200 and plus 50. So the same way we have to convert 3 multiply by 6 equals to 180 and then this 20 we have to add.
200 is the
Yes.
answer.
Now next is true or false. This also I have twisted.
Ma'am, true.
Yes, 60 seconds makes 1 minute. So in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So answer is true. Who has written true?
Ma'am, Bidda, yes.
Ma'am, Paryani Shafiq.
Good.
Al Mohammed said.
Very good, Zed.
Shivani.
Then the next is that line has two end points and fixed length. This is line. I have already told you it has two arrows, not two end points.
Ma'am,
It
false.
arrow, huh? So it is false because it doesn't have a fixed length also, and even it doesn't have end point. So false. Then this we have already done when I was teaching you that here angle is marked and you tell me that it is right angle or not. This is the
Ma'am, it
angle.
is right angle, quarter angle.
Ma'am, right
Right
angle.
angle.
So
And
answer
right angle.
true.
Ma'am, right angle.
Ma'am, true answer.
Yes, your answer is true.
मैम मेरा राइट है.
Ma'am, मेरा भी है, Paryani Shafiq.
Ma'am,
Very
false. Ma'am, 17, false.
because while we convert meter to centimeter, no meter to
We divide by 100.
multiply by 100.
Yes, ma'am, multiply by 100.
And when we convert centimeter to meter, so we divide by 100. And meter to centimeter, we multiply. Now, next also we had done. So you can
Ma'am, right angle.
Ma'am, obtuse angle, obtuse angle.
name of
Ma'am,
the
obtuse angle.
Ma'am, obtuse angle, more than
Ma'am,
90 degree.
obtuse angle.
Ma'am,
obtuse, but what is the name?
obtuse angle.
The name of the no, name of this angle also I have teach you. Name A, B, C that. That
Ma'am,
also.
ABC.
Huh. This question was given in the textbook only. That one. Then
Yes, ma'am.
that about
Yes,
advertising.
ma'am, this
Ma'am,
in that book only given.
ma'am, 660 answer.
Yes.
Yes,
Because
ma'am, 660.
multiply by 60.
660 seconds.
Then here 8 hours means how many minutes?
480.
Ma'am,
480 minutes.
180.
480 minutes.
मैम
Ma'am,
480.
Yes.
ma'am, वो
Then in this B we have to convert 3 multiply by 6
192.
and we have to add this 12.
192.
Yes. Total will be 92. Yes. And the last. Convert centimeter to centimeter. So meter is given 4 meter. We have to convert to centimeter.
400 centimeter.
Yes, 4 multiplied by 100. So answer will be 400. And in
750 centimeter.
yes, because 7 multiplied by 100 and plus 50.
Ma'am, my this last answer was Last answer was not finished, and by mistake I click on submit.
Okay. So let's see how many marks you all will get. Now the next chapter you can see. If you have textbook, you can open. How many of you have textbook? Because I don't know how many of you have.
Ma'am, Pariya and Shafiq.
Okay, so you can open chapter 12. Then other, who has? Shafiq has the textbook. Then anyone?
Yes, ma'am. No, I didn't
So you can open the
see the textbook. Yes, ma'am. Secretary.
so you can open the textbook. This chapter 12.
मैम ओपन कर लिया
Okay.
टेक्स्टबुक
Then here what is written now that I am explaining. So you all can read this much together. Read this together. एक साथ बोलो, read करो.
Yes, ma'am. Perimeter is.
Perimeter is
No one is reading.
distance
Perimeter is the
around
distance around
edge
the edge
of
of a
a
figure.
figure.
Age of the figure. So that I am showing in the video. Where is the video? This. So that was the line which I am explaining. So age, what is age now that I am explaining? You can see here also a perimeter definition is given. Like when you goes around that one. So now here one table is given, you can see, and one ant is walking, you can see. Again, you can see that ant is given that side on the table and ant is walking. So where it is walking, कौन सी साइड पे वॉक कर रही है एंट? किनारी पे, बीच में, कहाँ पे?
Ma'am, at the
कॉर्नर के
edge.
पास.
At the edge.
That is called edge. Okay, एकदम किनारी जिसको बोलते हैं ना, that edge. Border, we can also call that a border. So this we can say border also. We can also say border, or we can say this edge. So this much is clear. What is edge and border? Yes or no? Edge किसको बोलते हैं, border किसको बोलते हैं, वो समझ में आ गया? जो
Yes,
किनारी
ma'am.
की होती है ना वो. And other students? Otherwise, ask the doubt if you can't
Yes,
understand.
ma'am.
Understood, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम secretary हाँ
Okay. So they are highlighting that part. Now they are giving example. They are measuring using that tap or something. तो ये इतना measure किया तो 3 मीटर का. This one also 3 meter. This one 1 meter and this one also 1 meter. तो उतना measure किया उन लोगों ने. Like when even carpenter also they make furniture or anything, no? So they measure everything using the tap, wood or anything. Area also they measure wherever they have to do. So here they are measuring this table. तो ये साइड का मेजर किया तो 3 मीटर, ये साइड का भी 3 मीटर, ये साइड का 1 मीटर, ये साइड का 1 मीटर. So here it is given. Length means उसकी लंबाई. Breadth means ये जो पक्थाई होती है यहाँ से वो. This is breadth and this is length. So they are measuring and they are showing. So now read that downside. What is written on that?
Hmm?
Read together everyone. Acha, who wants to read? Because you all will not read together.
Ma'am, Pariya and Shafiq.
Ma'am, बताइए.
मैम लकवीरा की
Shafiq,
lesson
Shafiq is reading. Shafiq, you
मैम
can read.
लकवीरा की lesson
Calculate the distance traveled by the and the to complete 1 ton.
तो अभी पहले देखा था ना कि वो जो एंट थी वो ऐसा राउंड घूम रही थी, तो ये जो एंट है वो यहाँ से जा रही है, फिर वापस यहाँ पे, फिर यहाँ पे, फिर वापस यहाँ पे, तो उस वो कितना मीटर चली, कौन बताएगा? पहले वो यहाँ
8
से इतना
मीटर।
चली, इतना, फिर यहाँ से इतना, फिर यहाँ से इतना, तो
8
कितना
मीटर।
मीटर चली?
8
So you will
मीटर।
explain how the answer is right, but how that you have to explain.
मैम 3 + 3 6 + 1 7 and +1 8।
Very good. So Aya's answer is right. Okay, even you, like if ant is not there but you are there and you are walking from here, ये ऐसा टेबल के वो साइड से यहाँ से यहाँ, यहाँ से यहाँ, यहाँ से यहाँ, फिर यहाँ से यहाँ से चल रहे हो एकदम एज पे, मीन्स बॉर्डर, तो तुम लोग भी चलोगे ना तब पता चलेगा कि 8 मीटर तुम लोग चले। So here distance traveled by ant 1 राउंड, ओनली 1 राउंड, तो एक राउंड में वो जितना चली ना बॉर्डर, उसको पेरीमीटर बोलते हैं, बिकॉज नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर इज, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर? जस्ट नाउ आई हैव शोन यू।
पेरीमीटर एरिया एंड एरिया।
ये yes, so perimeter that we are learning right now, perimeter means length of border, border edge, you can use any word. So now let's see. Now Raghib, you can read last one. You wanted to read now, so you can read this second sentence.
Ma'am, with the calculate the distance.
Yellow means I have a circle, no, that yellow background, that words.
Yes, ma'am. Distance traveled by the ant, perimeter of the table.
So this is equals to, okay, this is equals to symbol कि distance travel by ants, तो जो ant है वो जितना चल रही है ना 1 टन में, वो टेबल का पेरीमीटर है, टेबल की बॉर्डर कितनी लंबी है वो, पेरीमीटर मीन्स दैट बॉर्डर or edge. So is this clear about perimeter? Perimeter means border or edge. Is this clear about perimeter? Perimeter किसको बोलते हैं?
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Even let me show you that textual explanation also. That here also it is written the distance around the edge of figure. Figure means anything, table or anything. So edge means what I said, border. Okay, that is easy word which you can remember. So that border measurement, that is perimeter. And here also you can see that perimeter is written outside. Okay, so perimeter means that border. So do you want to do some perimeter exercise also? In a textbook there are given some perimeter exercise.
यस मैम।
Like if without formula, if we understand no, so this much is the same like this downside. So upside 30 means downside also 30. Here 90 means here 90. Because you can measure anything. In that video they have measured age of table. You can measure calculator, then this is blackboard, you can measure screen of your TV or computer. You can measure anything. So if you want to do practical right now, means if you want to do, I'm not forcing. So you can take any of
यस
the
मैम।
book. If you want to do practical, you can take your book and you can measure. Then tell me how many centimeter is this. Your any book, small book, big book, anything, and take the scale. Or compass you can measure. Anything you can measure. So those who are measuring, they can tell me if you are measuring. Are you doing practical at home or not? No one is doing? Why no one is doing that practically? You should do. Take your scale.
Ma'am, what?
You have to take a scale or
Okay, ma'am.
anything, and you can take a compass box or textbook which is rectangular. That any object you can take. तो कोई भी ऐसा rectangular object लो,
Okay, ma'am.
लो.
Ma'am, I had.
Ma'am, I had done my book. Ma'am, 50,
No, I had taken pen.
15 centimeter from the upside and downside also, and 25 centimeter from the side.
Suppose the what Ayaz is doing that I'm explaining. Suppose he has measured that upside also 15, downside also 15, 15. Then here 25 you said, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So here also 25, 25. So if we want to measure perimeter of this, and perimeter means what? The distance traveled by the end, means travel by anything. So this border, total of this border. So what is the total of this border?
80 centimeter.
Yes, 15 plus 25 plus 15 and plus 25. That way. Okay. So 80. And who else is measuring any
Ma'am,
object?
I had taken scale.
And any rectangular object like Ayaz has
Ma'am,
taken
ma'am, but what we have to do with scale?
Ayaz has taken book also, any textbook or anything.
Hello.
Ragib, I'm speaking only. Ragib,
Ma'am, here is a network problem.
oh,
Anyone speaks, so he can listen after 5 to 6 seconds.
oh. So Ragib, I'm saying you that you take scale also and textbook or any other book and then measure this much.
Name 2 units of measuring length. Ma'am, but what we have to measure? With
Any
scale or
book,
compass box?
textbook, compass box, anything you can measure. Look, you can see a
Okay,
table
ma'am.
they have measure. They have measured table. And you can measure, even you can do this practically, like you can
Ma'am, I measured.
which object you have
Ma'am,
measured?
I measured my mobile phone.
Mobile phone. So this is your mobile phone. So what is the measurement of this side, length and
In which
upside?
I am studying.
What?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, length is 14. That's standing.
Then
And
this
the breadth is 6.
6. So perimeter means
Then again, length is 15 and breadth is 6.
so here you remember no that we have
The
added
perimeter is what, ma'am?
you know no, that in this example we have added all, we add all 4, so we have to add to find perimeter.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you have to add
Yes,
this.
Ma'am,
ma'am.
40 is the perimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the perimeter? You add these 4 numbers.
Ma'am, 40 is the perimeter.
Because
Yes,
14
ma'am.
6 plus 14.
Ma'am, 40.
So 40. Very good. So only 2 students have done practically. You don't know about how to measure anything. Here they have measured even that also. Rehan, read this.
Yes, ma'am.
Read this, which I have circled no downside.
Okay. Set of the and the all
It's okay. okay, Rehan, mute your mic because today your mic is means your voice is breaking a lot. It's not working properly. So here you can see perimeter of table. So adding measurement of all side means 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3. That way. So remember this compulsory that we have to add all side and that is perimeter. Understood this much that we have to add all the side then we will get perimeter. Is this
Yes,
clear?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Okay. And other student, those who are not saying that it is clear, they can ask the doubt that I can explain it again. So tell me if you have doubt.
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Okay. Another student, do you have doubt?
No.
Okay.
No,
No,
ma'am, no
ma'am.
doubt.
Okay. Even we will do one more practical, which I am explaining, that you will understand perimeter properly. And this activity also you have to do, huh? Like last time also I've given the certificate, not the same way. Here you can see the activity name. So what is the activity name? Name of the activity?
Finding perimeter of my drawing.
Huh. So you have to take any this kind of sheet, this kind of sheet, or one page from that box book. Like last year you were using no for maths, if you remember. Last in 1 to 4 standard you were using that only book for maths, like box were given.
Yes, ma'am. Square line book.
So from that you can take one page or you can buy this sheet or you can buy this sheet. In all there are boxes given. So any page you can use. That page from the book means if your brother or anyone is in 1 to 4 standard, if they have that book for maths, so you can take one page from that or you can buy this sheet. Then you can draw anything. Like if I want to draw any chocolate or anything, or mobile or what Ayaz has measured. Suppose I am trying to draw textbook. So it is suppose 25 centimeter. So this many 25 and here 25. I can draw anything. Okay, you can also draw anything. Anything, any object. Even so many girls have drawn a building also. An area. Different houses and everything. So you can draw anything, then you can count the box. So let's count, huh? You have to tell me. So upside, what is this border, this side? How many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, that way. Count and tell me. These are these.
Ma'am, 6 boxes are there. Ma'am, 6 boxes are there.
And this side,
Uh, there's also 6.
yes,
Ma'am, 6.
one box. So one is written. Then here this, so four. That way all the side they have measured and they have written how many box. Because how many box means how many centimeter. Okay, these all are in centimeter. Because unit is written on that. So the whole border they have calculated. Okay. So here perimeter means border. So you can draw anything on this paper and then you can count the border. Means all the side, huh? And then you can add. So you have to add all
Ma'am,
this.
we have to count the centimeters or boxes.
Boxes. You don't have to use a scale because this one box equals to 1 centimeter.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Ha,
can we draw woodland mansion
yes, of course. Then you
from
have to
Minecraft?
yes. Then you have to add these all the numbers and then you will get a perimeter. So don't see the answer, this downside, but count and tell me that you are also getting the same answer or not. Add all these numbers. And tell me. Add all the sides. 6 plus 6 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 7 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus. I think so only Ayaz is doing. Who else is counting this? You have to add all the sides and you have to see that how many, what is the total you are getting. No one is doing. Addition is easy only. 6 plus 6 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2.
Ma'am, I am doing with the yes.
Okay. Okay, let me only count together. So 6 plus 6, tell me, everyone. Or 6 plus 6 also you.
12.
12. Plus 1,
13.
13.
13. 13 plus 4,
17.
17. Plus 1,
18.
18.
plus 2,
20.
20.
again plus 2,
22.
22.
plus 7,
What, ma'am?
22 plus 7. Here 7 is written, no?
20.
29.
29.
29.
29 plus 1,
30.
30.
30.
30 plus 1,
31.
31.
plus 2,
33.
plus 4,
37.
plus 1.
38.
Plus 4,
42.
42,
plus 2,
44.
48,
44.
44,
44.
plus 1,
45,
45.
again
45. 46.
plus 7,
52.
52,
54.
sure?
54.
Ma'am, what was the total before 7?
I think so 46. Then plus 7.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think 53.
ma'am 53,
53.
Plus 1,
57,
54.
59,
54.
plus 1,
54, 55,
બધા
plus
ક્યાં આપે
2,
છે
57,
57. 61.
61,
plus 1,
61.
60, 62,
then plus 3,
65.
65,
then plus 1,
67,
eh?
67,
66,
66.
And
66.
Then 72. 72.
72.
so
Ma'am,
here,
answer is 72.
yes. So downside also you can see 72 is given perimeter only. Eh? Area I will teach you afterward. But right now just learn this perimeter means addition of border of any object. Huh? So you can draw anything but using straight line. Don't use curve line. If you will use curve line, that will be the next level. So right now just learn about straight line. So you can draw anything using straight line on this kind of paper. Then you can count like this. Then you can write perimeter. Now I'm teaching area. So for area you have to count all the box. 1, 2, 3 that way. So let's count. 1, 2, 3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5, 6,
6,
7, 8, 9,
9, 10,
10,
11, 12,
12,
13,
13, 14,
15,
15, 16,
17,
17,
18,
18, 19,
20,
21,
21, 22,
22, 23, 24, 25,
20,
26,
27,
27,
28,
28,
29,
29,
30,
30,
30,
31,
30,
32,
33,
33,
30,
34,
35,
35,
30,
36, 37,
30,
38,
39,
39, 40,
41,
41,
42,
42,
43,
43,
44,
44,
45,
45,
46,
46,
47,
47,
48,
48, 49, 50,
51,
51, 52,
53,
53,
4,
54,
55, 56,
56,
57,
57,
58,
50,
59,
15, 60,
61,
61, 62,
64,
63,
65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, and 79. So you can see we got 79. So we have to count the boxes that middle. Huh? So we'll get area and border. So we'll get perimeter. So this much is clear about,
yes, ma'am.
and other students. Perimeter means border, means outside, and area means inside. Okay, this area I'm writing only. Wait, let me use other color. So area means inside, inside. Like you can see these inside numbers means boxes we have counted. So area means inside, perimeter means border, means outside. You can say outside or border. So perimeter equals to outside border. So I'm keeping this for a few minutes and someone has to repeat this. Area equals to inside, perimeter equals to outside border. Okay, this is about area upside. Read this 5 times everyone that you will remember.
Area inside,
This you have to read like equals to area equals to inside. Read like me. Area is equals to inside. Read with me. What is the time? 9:24. Read with me. Area is equals to inside.
area is equal to inside.
Perimeter equals to outside border.
Perimeter equals to outside border.
Outside border.
So learn this and then tell me after you learn this.
મમ્મી હું ઇયરફોન જો ને નવો ઇયરફોન એનો માઇક રાયલ નો You know, make a earphone. Huh?
Yes, after you take your new earphone, then mute your mic, huh? And learn to read. Okay, now who will repeat this? Area is equals to inside, perimeter is equals to outside border. No one wants to repeat?
Area is equal to inside. Perimeter is equal to outside border.
Okay, very good. So you
Yes.
can do like this, huh? You can take this kind of sheet. You can draw anything. Here they are drawing pig, P-I-G, pig, that animal. But using straight line, huh? Not curve line. You can see. Are you able to see this? How they are drawing
Yes, ma'am.
on this sheet? So on this sheet means or that page of your book, old maths book, you can draw this and then you can cut like this and then you can stick on any coloring chart paper like this. But here they have drawn this man using straight line. Even you can see this tree also, which is very straight, so that you can count the boxes. Then here also, they are drawing on this sheet, they are cutting, they are coloring, and they are sticking on this. So that you will understand perimeter area properly. If you will do this activity, then only. You can see this. And do you know what is this? Can you see? Can you tell me which picture is this?
Ma'am, this is about
And
trees and sand biome and I think it is Mario's picture.
Yes.
In Mario game, all the clouds and everything are given like this only. That I know. That in Mario game, they are using this one square and they are doing. Here, can you see downside? It is written bird, then this man, then sun, then cloud. So one picture they are counting. Suppose this first one is bird, this. So they are counting the square, how many square they have used, and that much is their area. One picture they are calculating. See, downside is then this is water, and this is pen. जो हंस होते हैं ना जो, like we call that हंस only in Gujarati. That. So
Yes,
if
ma'am.
here how we can draw anything and using this square box, no, it will be easy to count the centimeter and area. Sorry,
what
perimeter
is
and
that?
area.
Cloud left, right?
Is this clear? How you have to do this activity? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am. Clear.
And who is going to do this practically? Because even just now I said no, who is going to do practically? So Ragib and Ayas, they both did practically to measure and
Ma'am, ma'am, I am also practical.
okay. So you will also do no this activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Very.
I can see your
So you have to do this activity. Okay, you can use this sheet. You can draw anything, any animal, anything using straight line. Then you can cut and stick on this, and then you can count, and then you can know area and perimeter. Just now I've explained how to count area and perimeter. Perimeter